Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find similar elements easily on Canva. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then load the designs that you are working on like this. And then next, just click on the any elements that you want to find more of. Maybe like a shape, icon or illustrations like this. Just tap on it and then tap on the three dots icon. This one, just tap on it and then scroll down until you find info. This one, just tap on it and then scroll down again until you find view collections. This one, just tap on it. And then here Canva will show you a full set of similar or matching elements from the same creator or style pack. Just scroll to the back and pick any elements that fits your design styles. This is the fastest way to keep your design consistent with matching graphic. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!